Champions. I'm here today to talk to you about the greatest and best non-alcoholic beverage in the world. Tribute. Wars have been waged over it, trade routes forged by it. Empires built on it, and my and many others' careers depend on it. That's right, we're talking about coffee. Yeah. Now, I have sampled all permutations and manifestations of this particular caffeinated libation, and I've concluded that the only preparation which meets my expectations is espresso. Whether it's served short black after dinner or my usual cappuccino with an extra shot in the morning, it's beaten only by alcoholic beer in my books. So that makes it the best non-alcoholic beverage. Now, Australia has some of the best coffee in the world. We do have Starbucks too though, so. I like to buy it here. Euphoric Coffee, East Blaxland. G'day champions. Not bad. Just grab a extra large cap, extra shot and 1 sugar, thanks. And you only buy it here if you've got no other choice, like you're up at 4 a.m. And you never buy it here unless you're a masochist, we all know that. I just want to cross the road to get some coffee. There's too many cars. Oh yeah, here we go. Go, go, go. So when I'm at work, champions, I like to buy it here. You'll often see me go for a walk. It's a cocoa.
Oh no, after you.
Go on. Morning. Good, thanks.
Almond latte. What size would you like that?
Yeah. So that's 3 shots in that tiny little cup. And it's 7 p.m. They say don't drink caffeine afternoon. I say you don't know what you're talking about. I'm not particularly sensitive to caffeine, unfortunately. I wish I could have some and, get an energy boost from it, but it just doesn't affect me at all. It doesn't affect my sleep. I've experimented both extremes of using it and non-using it, and hasn't affected me at all. So thank you everyone for your donations. Tomorrow it's going to be good to have a beer, even though I've kind of forgotten what it's like. And we might have to do a live stream coming up soon where we just chill out and have a couple of drinks and do a Q&A instead of actually me trying to work while I'm talking to you all. Now we've sort of hit a critical mass where there's enough conversation to just talk instead of me having to work on amps and stuff and just catch the occasional comment. And before I go, I should mention that the donations stay open for all of August as well. So if you're a little bit late and you're beyond the last day of July, don't stress. They cut off the donations at the end of August, I believe. So as long as there's a donate now button still on the page and the link below, which is down below in the comments, we'll be good to go and it'll add to the total. Last I checked, we're at about 2,400 and the target, all I was expecting was about $1,000. I set the target as at $1,000 and we've smashed it. So let's see if we can bloody triple it, because it's a great cause. And I've got to admit, it was quite a bit of fun too, chatting with you champions. So thank you everyone for following. Thanks everyone who watched all these videos. You know who you are. Most of you donated, and that's fantastic. To those who couldn't, thank you for following along anyway. It means a lot. And your comments down below make me feel all warm and fuzzy inside, almost as much as a cask strength whiskey, which is what I'll be having tomorrow night. So thank you everyone. It means a lot, and I'm going to go before I start crying. I'm not crying, you're crying.